Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital. Today I'm demonstrating a DC-40T-UP-TERM, and a term means just has terminal blocks that you can connect your start, stop, and reset switches to. And as you can see, I have two 60mm palm switches connected to this timer up. And also the other feature about this is green. Normally our displays are red, and currently it is counting up minutes and seconds. It will shift over to hours, minutes, and seconds on the 4-digit. And also you see the a display over there on the computer is mimicking what the current time is. There at the bottom of the bottom line is the current count up time. And it is a network card, so it can be connected to the network and it can be seen from anywhere in the world. So the time is being recorded not only locally, and the operator can see the time locally and how much time the process has expired, and also management or supervisor can see it from anywhere in the world, even on their cell phone. These network cards that we produce are a web browser based network card. Does not require any software. You don't have to subscribe to any programs or anything, or monthly services. This is what you see is on the card itself. So when you plug it into your system, we have a program that you can download to any computer. It's a little simple program, and you can find it on your network, or you can just get with your IT department and they will find the new device, and we'll have it labeled as a DC Digital DC-40 count up timer, and you'll be able to locate that very easily. So you just enter into the program, and this is the web page program right here. It has network settings, and you just enter the IP into it. If you want to go DHCP, then that's fine too. It gives you that option also. So I'll just show you the operation of it. Right now it's counting up. It's waiting for stop and reset. So I'm just going to hit, so it's a 2 action button on the stop and reset. Reset it. Now you see over there on the network webpage that gives you the last time, 6:10, and it gives you the final process time, and then it gives you the current time, which is 0. So I'm going to go ahead and start it again, and that gives you in real time, you know, what the operator is seeing also. All aluminum extruded enclosure. These are 4-inch high LED digits, and the enclosure separates to allow you to mount the back box somewhere. You can do it on a 4-square or a handy box. We do have these other tabs up here that you can knock out and just put it on a couple screws on the wall if you want to. We also have a magnetic mount if you want to put it onto a metal machine or whatnot. Here's your terminations for your switches. We have 3 here, optional of the 3rd, but on this specific product we have 2 that are used. So you have the start, and then the second terminal is for stop, and then when you hit the switch again for reset. We have our RJ45 connector over on the right, and then you have your 12 volts input, 120 volt wall adapter that it's required. It's got a 6-foot cord. There again, if you hit the stop, you'll see that the time is stopped and gives you the last elapsed time, which is the next column up, or next row up I should say, and then the final process time. I want to go ahead and hit reset again, and then all those numbers shift up and gives you that readout. It's a good thing to blank out on the the video for the computer to go to sleep, but I need to set the settings on that. But this is a DC-40T-UP-TERM with a network card that will give you a web page readout of what the process time is that you have. I got the couple bears there that you have on your current process production time. Thanks for watching.